What would you do if fire fell from heaven and burned your own sons alive? Aaron stood in the holy place, the air thick with the scent of sacrifice. His sons, Nadab and Abihu, stepped forward to offer incense before the Lord. They were priests, chosen by God Himself. But that night, something went horribly wrong. They took strange fire, something God never commanded, and brought it before His presence. In a flash, fire shot out from the presence of the Lord, and in an instant, both sons were dead. Their bodies fell beside the altar.